In today's video, I'll show you how to get a Bitbucket access token. First, open your browser and go to the official Bitbucket website, then log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, open the repository you want to generate a token for. On the left sidebar, click Repository Settings, then go to Security and select Access Tokens. Next, click Create Access Token. Enter a name for your token. Under Expiry, choose a specific expiration date. This must fall within the range allowed by your workspace admin. After that, select the permissions the token will need, depending on what access you want to grant. Then click Create. A dialog box will appear showing your newly generated access token. Copy the token immediately and save it somewhere secure, or paste it into the app that requires access. The token is only shown once and cannot be viewed again later. If needed, you can always create a new token and revoke the old one for security purposes. And that's it. That's how you get a Bitbucket access token.